This is our fan favorite Hopper M30 soft cooler. It's tough as nails and the largest soft cooler we make. Thank you. Okay, let's get this loaded up. Today we're going to add a large and medium YETI thin ice to supplement our wet ice. This cooler is designed with our latest MagShield access, the top to stay open when you need it. The M30 can fit an entire 26 cans of beer with a 2-to-1 ice to cans ratio. Today we're also going to bring some snacks and sandwiches. And for you wine lovers, this cooler is big enough for a full bottle of wine to sit upright. Each of our soft coolers uses our cold cell foam insulation, which means the cold stays where it should, locked inside. So while this top stays open easily, it closes with a gentle push. Strong magnets keep it closed and the cold contained, while these buckles keep it secure for carrying. But we know you're not just bringing snacks and drinks. The hitch point grid allows you to attach YETI accessories like the Sidekick dry gear case directly to your cooler, keeping your essentials accessible. And just like all our Hopper soft coolers, the M30 is made with a leak-proof liner and an ultra-tough DryHide shell, so it can easily handle brushing past thorns and branches while hiking. When you're ready to put it down, these coolers make great weights for anchoring your blanket on windy days. And when you're ready to go, there are 2 easy ways to carry the M30. Use the easy grab handles or throw it over your shoulder. All right, enough talking. Let's go have a drink.